Hi YouTube, today's video is about cleaning out your engine bay. We're going to take your engine bay from looking like this to looking like this. I'm going to walk you through each of the steps of how I did this. Step 1. Unplug your battery. We will be spraying a light amount of water into the engine bay, and not enough that could harm any of the components, but it's definitely better to be safe than sorry by having no power flowing through it.
Thundering, dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this down, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all know.
Alright, for step 2, we're going to be using a soft bristle brush to agitate all the dirt on top of the parts. And then we'll use a vacuum cleaner alongside that to suck up any of that loose dirt that we didn't kick out.
Racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Driving on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that giddy button to a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this down, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all know.
Next we have a spray bottle filled with soapy water. We're going to be spraying down most of the engine bay with it and just kind of wiping down, trying to get off the rest of that dirt that we couldn't get off.
Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Driving on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat.
So now we're going to do a bit of detailing on the black plastics and rubber. This is what I used. You're more than welcome to use any other brand or whatever. This is just what I happen to be able to buy at the time. So we're going to go back using our bristle brush and just rub in this all over the place.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky, those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your.
Alright, now that we've let the detailing compound sit for a little bit on the black plastics and rubber. We're going to go ahead and wipe them all off completely with a microfiber towel. Make sure you didn't get any on your belts or any removing parts. You definitely don't want this stuff to stick to anything that it shouldn't be. Folks, a super clean engine bay. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below or comment what you want to see me do next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.